Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So nothing much happened yesterday with the public holiday in place, and as far as I'm concerned right now, we are bottom of range. We've had some negative news from Apple indicating that we should be expecting iPhone delays due to the coronavirus, and that's pretty much what's driven the market down this morning. We are in a range as far as I'm concerned, and that's our range. You'll see it as we go through to the lower time frames. This is an area that, as far as I'm concerned, we should be looking to buy. Okay, now the problem with this after hours stuff is the market could trigger sort of buyers off here or a bit lower down. Okay, so I don't like trading these ranges after hours, because often what happens is it squirts the downside and then turns. Okay, if we do break the downside, I'm really not interested in taking that short. We'll wait for an entry for a long. As far as I'm concerned, the trend is still to the upside on the higher time frames, and that's the way we should be trading. And what we're also looking for now is some structure. You can see there's some decent structure there, nice big pin bar, tweezer bottom, double pin bar there, inside bar there. So right now we're waiting for this bar to finish and see what happens. It's off for 200 EMA as well. Okay, but this is a buying area for me. It's just I don't want to buy now. I'd rather buy in the European session or even in the USA session much later on. But this is a zone that I'm looking to buy. So what we're looking for right now is structure. We can quickly drop down to the 12 and you'll see structure. So that's kind of what we're looking at. At the moment there is no structure. There is kind of a bit of a consolidation. Not really gonna read much into that. That is a bit of consolidation happening off a level. So I want to see a little bit more sort of engulfing or pin bars or inside bars or something. So I want to see some proper price action to indicate that we're at a level. Okay, so I'm going to buy. That's pretty much the short and sweet of it. Probably in this area or a little bit lower down, but as far as I'm concerned, we are in a range. I'm looking for the signal that's going to tell us to buy. The Ichimoku is not going to give us anything, I can tell you that now. Yesterday there was pretty much nothing going on. Today we are bearish at the moment, but look at how far we are from Keystone and Dickinson. So there's some signals there that we are at a level. 200 EMA and 200 SMA in this area. We've only just got the 1 hour crossover here as well, but everything's flat. The cloud is flat, Keystone is flat, Dickinson is flat. We are ranging. There's nothing to read into that. We do have a bearish cross on the 4 hour. Okay, but Keystone and Dickinson are flat. Chickers Bay inside price, cloud is green above cloud. So lots of mixed signals here. And also oscillator is also sort of trending to the downside. So this is either a break to the downside. It's going to give us a range target. So if we do something like that, there's our range, and we break to the downside, there's our next structure here. Okay, and that would be a good 200 odd points, but yeah, I just don't trust that. As far as I'm concerned, this trend is still up. Okay, 4 hour and daily trend is still up. Daily, you can see the trend is up. There is potential here for a move to the downside, but my oscillator is indicating I need to be looking for a level. So we'll trade with the trend as far as I'm concerned and look for the level. Okay, this little structure that we have at the top on the daily here is doesn't fill me with confidence for long or a short, but trade what you see, and what I see is a range, and what we're looking for is some structure off the bottom of the range here, and then looking for a long. So the structure should be a move to the upside, a pullback to form a higher low. That's my entry, and then you're looking for gap close, top of range. Okay, there we go. That's my view for today on the Dow Jones. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.